Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a Google Meet link on phone. First of all, open the Play Store or App Store and search Google Meet. Now, make sure that the app is updated and there are no updates remaining. After that, open up your Google Meet app and make sure you are signed into your account. Here, tap on this New button at the bottom right of your screen. After that, tap on Create a New Meeting and select Join Meeting. Now, your meeting has been started and you can explore all features of your Google Meeting app. You can toggle on and off the camera by using this camera icon and also toggle the microphone. After that, tap on the speaker icon at the top right of your screen. Here, either you can turn off the sound of your meeting or turn on the speaker during meeting. You can also share your screen by tapping on this Share Screen button. Now, if you want to switch your account during a meeting, simply tap on Switch button beside your Gmail. Here you can select any account you want to switch. Now, if you want to share your meeting link with others, tap on this share icon and select whom you want to share your meeting with. And the target audience will be able to join your meeting if they tap on this link. After that, go back to your meeting and tap on this star-like icon. Here, you can add backgrounds, filters, and make a better appearance of your online meeting. Now, if you want to end your meeting, simply tap on this red button and your meeting will be ended. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.